all our investors in Southdale, we now officially open the subdivision and the house model of Southdale Settings, Nuvali. Isang magandang araw sa lahat, no? Again, this is me, Steve Singson, your property expert and one of the branch managers of Avida in-house channel. So I am now here at Southdale Settings, Nuvali, no? Good news, we now officially open our exclusive subdivision for the first time. So ang goal ng video na ito, no, is to give you an update sa construction natin and pasukin natin yung mga nagawang house models na may CS2 sa ating subdivision. I am now here at Southdale Settings, Nuvali, one of the highest peaks of Nuvali South. We launched this project, no, 2021, and I remember this that year, puro putik pa yung area. But look at the improvements now, no, in just a span of almost 3 years lang. Sobrang dami na nagawa, and imagine 2 years pa ang completion date of this specific project. Imagine kung gaano nakaganda ang subdivision by that time. The project has a land area of approximately 20 hectares in size, by which 45% of the entire subdivision is dedicated to open spaces and 55% of it is dedicated for the residential. Imagine, no, if you're living inside Southdale Settings, Nuvali, the land elevation here is mataas between 172 to 202 meters above sea level. So as you go inside the subdivision, the elevation gets higher and higher. So imagine, you have the view of Mount Makiling, Tagaytay Ridge, on a clear and fine sky. Kita mo din si Laguna de Bay, Mount Makiling, dahil sobrang ganda ng elevation dito kay Southdale Settings, Nuvali. For the amenities na ino-offer natin sa exclusive subdivision na to, no, we have the 1 hectare open spaces, which includes the clubhouse, adult pool, kiddie pool, kids play area, jogging path, open spaces. Nakagandahan, ilan lang kayong residents na mag-share sa malaking amenities na ito. We officially opened the entrance part of Southdale Settings, Nuvali, no. Ongoing pa ang construction ng ating clubhouse, and sa side naman ng dun sa dulo na part ng Southdale Settings, Nuvali, still we're land development pa din tayo, no. So yun yung purpose ng video na to, no, na bigyan ko kayo lagi ng updates sa construction ng Southdale Settings, Nuvali hanggang dumating ang time na ma-turn over sa atin ang ating property. And to all my clients, no, na nakapag-invest kay Southdale Settings, Nuvali, congratulations po, no, kasi as nakikita na natin yung ating investment, especially for those clients from US, Canada, Australia, UAE, and konti nga lang yung hintayin natin para dumating yung turnover day ng ating property. We are now here at the bare unit of Macy, no? So dito makikita natin yung actual turnover na wala pa siyang gamit, but the good thing about this house model, complete na yung fixtures, gamit na lang yung kulang. So as you go inside the house, before yung mismong bahay, makikita natin yung malaking planting strip, no? Yan. And then meron tayong walk path dito sa area. So approximately 2 meters to na hindi ginamit sa subdivision. So it's a free open spaces na kasama sa nabili natin sa subdivision. So dito pala mag-start yung ating property line. So from that point up to that point, dun sa kabila na yun. As you can see, ano, malawak pa ang ating parking area na pwede ka pa makapaglagay ng 2 parking. So isa dito and isa doon sa kabila. Dito, ano, sobrang laki pa ng space ng bahay natin. Nasa second floor, pwede ka bang maglagay ng future expansion para magamit din natin para magkaroon tayo ng additional bedroom sa ating bahay. And dito sa labas ng ating house model, no, we have the provision for the internet and also for the water. Para in case in the future magka-car wash tayo ng ating sasakyan, dito na po tayo maglilinis sa ating parking area. Dito, no, sa harap ng bahay natin, 3 meters yung ating setback. So sobrang lawak niya, no. Ang nakagandahan dito, pwede ka maglagay ng fence. Decision mo naman yun, no, kung maglalagay ka ng fence, or ibang clients namin dito, walang fence kasi it says a lot about the community if the community or most of the bahay ay walang mga fences kasi safe po sa ating subdivision. And dito sa isang side, malaki pa din yung space natin, no? And of course, sa likod, malaki pa yung space. So, ang gagawin lang natin, may mili ka lang ng isang side ng bahay na pwede mong isagad. And yung likod, pwede mo siyang isagad as long as magalagay ka ng 2x2 na hingahan para ma-maintain yung proper ventilation ng ating bahay. As we go inside our bare unit, no, as you can see, everything is complete ng fixtures, gamit na lang yung kulang, no. And yun, naka-open layout tayo na wala siyang mga partitions to make it more spacious pag na-turn over na po sa atin. By the way, no, this house model is Macy S2, meaning Series 2 or the version 2 of our Macy, no? Because this time, mas in-improve ni Avida yung turnover natin. Like for example, the windows are bigger, so mas maaliwalas yung feel niya, mas maganda ang mga fixtures, mas maganda ang exterior ng natin. Kumbaga, no, yung imperfection sa unang gawa natin, this time, mas maganda na siya. This side, no, sa nakikita ko, ito yung pwede natin gawing living area, no. So, pwede ka maglagay ng sofa, pwede ka maglagay ng mga upuan, and pwede mong i-install yung TV natin dito since there is a provision ng saksakan sa baba. This side naman is our dining area. So, sobrang ganda ng location, no, kasi parallel to our dining area is the sliding door na habang nag-breakfast or kumakain tayo, meron tayong magandang view ng garden natin sa isang side ng ating bahay. Ito naman yung ating kitchen, no. As you can see, we have the lower cabinet na. So sa modifications in the future to maximize the space, pwede ka pang maglagay ng upper cabinet sa side na to. And of course, we have window para mas maaliwalas yung feel na ating bahay. We also have the provisions for cooking stove and refrigerator. So eto, no, maganda na mas ma-modify pa natin since malaki pa yung space sa ating kitchen. If we have the main door, the sliding door, we also have the back door. Tara, punta tayo. Ito naman yung ating access going to back door, no, papuntang backyard. So this side, pwede mo siyang gawing laundry area or dirty kitchen. And nakagandahan, no, since may back door tayo, yung lahat ng mga groceries natin in the future na manggagaling sa ating parking area, pwede kang lumakad dito going to our back door para at least in the future, kung may mga bisita ka sa part ng living area, hindi na tayo makakaabala. And if ever na magkakaroon ka ng future expansion sa ating bahay, pwede siya as long as 9 meters yung pinaka-height ng bahay natin from the highest tip of your lot up to the highest peak of your roof, no? And yung mga colors na gagamitin natin should be earth tones para nag-blend na siya together with the nature. Iniiwasan kasi natin yung biglang may eyesore, biglang may neon colors kasi malaking epekto ng mga kulay or ganda ng subdivision, yung value appreciation ng properties natin. This side naman yung ating toilet and bath sa ating first floor, no? Tara, check natin. As you can see, no, complete na yung mga fixtures dito sa ating toilet and bath. Meron na tayong tiles dito, painted na yung ating wall, and of course, meron na tayong water closet, may sink na tayo, and you know, pwede mo siyang i-modify in the future para lagyan ng cabinets once na ma-turn over sa atin. And dito, no, bago sa ating toilet and bath, meron ditong space na pwede mo siyang i-maximize in the future. Like for example, gagawin mo siyang mini working space or mini study area. And of course, pwede ka din maglagay ng mga shelves, no? Dagdag storage din sa atin. And this side naman is our circuit breaker na makikita natin sa ating bahay. After nating ma-explore, no, yung finishes ng ating first floor, punta naman tayo sa ating second floor. As you can see, ano, maluwag yung ating stairs and maganda yung ating kulay sa wood sa baba and yung handrails natin. So, kung gusto mo siyang i-change yung color in the future, pwede naman, no? Since maganda naman din na talaga yung ating actual turnover. And nakagandahan dito sa mga windows natin, as you can see, on this side is my window, may another window sa side na yon. Nakagandahan, no, it invites natural light sa ating bahay na hindi mo kailangan laging gumamit ng electricity. And of course, since mataas yung ating ceiling sa part na to, pwede ka pang makapaglagay ng magandang chandelier. Yun. Pag akit natin, no, ang unang makikita natin yung ating toilet and bath sa ating second floor. Tara, pasok tayo. So ito, no, sobrang kamukha lang siya ng ating toilet and bath sa ating first floor. So dito, complete fixtures na din, konting improvements na lang para magkaroon tayo ng more storage in the future. And ito naman yung ating first bedroom. So as you can see, no, since this is a corner bedroom, we have two windows. So sobrang maaliwala, sobrang hangin. Since this is a corner bedroom, no, as you can see, we have window here and another window here. Malaki yung mga windows natin, no? Kaya sobrang mahangin sa area, maaliwalas. And as you can see, we have the provision for the aircon sa side na ito. So yun know, sa ating first floor, split type, and sa second floor natin lahat window type. Punta naman tayo sa ating second bedroom. It has the same size with the first bedroom, no? Ang pinagkaiba lang ng ating second bedroom, wala siyang isa pang window. So nag-iisa lang yung window natin, no? Kasi this is an inner bedroom. So same lang naman siya ng fixtures, no? And pwede mo siyang i-modify pa once na ma-turn over po sa atin. And punta naman tayo ngayon, no, sa ating master's bedroom. You know, this is our master's bedroom. As you can see, malawak yung space niya. And we have windows here, napakalaki ng window and another window. So dito, no, kapag ganito kaganda yung mga windows natin, you can enjoy the view of Mount Makiling, Tagaytay Ridge, on a clear and fine sky, the Makati skyline, the Laguna de Bay. Na yan yung pinapromote ng subdivision natin because our subdivision is very high when it comes to elevation. Kung kanina, no, diniscuss natin yung specifications and actual turnover ng Macy S2. Ngayon, i-check naman natin yung dressed up unit kung gaano ba kaganda yung ginawang design sa interior ng ating Macy house model. To explore our house model, no, pasok tayo sa loob para makita nyo yung actual turnover ng ating Macy unit. My favorite line, no, welcome to your future home. As we go inside the house, no, as you can see, napakaganda na pagkaka-interior. That's the importance of hiring an interior designer, no, kasi napaplan natin yung space sa loob, yung proper space planning na mga minimal lang yung mga gamit na ilalagay natin to make the bahay more spacious, no. As you can see, the layout of our house is open planning or open layout, no. Wala tayong mga partitions para magmukha siyang mas maluwag. As we go inside our door, the first thing na sasalubong sa atin is yung ating living area. So dito, makakapag-enjoy ka with your family. So naglagay siya dito ng television, may sofa, may mga upuan, mayroong table sa gitna, ano. And sa side na to, nandyan yung mga windows natin which will invite ng natural light in the future kapag nandito ka na po nakatira kay Macy. Dito naman po yung ating dining area. As you can see, ano, naglagay siya ng 6-seaters na table, but you can actually put up to 8-seaters kasi spacious naman yung area na to. And sa harap ng ating dining area is our sliding door. Ito po siya, no? Especially if nag-breakfast tayo or nag-lunch or nag-dinner, tapos parallel to your dining area is yung ating magandang garden. So in the future, no, parang nasa-set yung mood natin every morning na ang ganda-gandang mag-breakfast sa area na to. And sa part naman na to, no, yung ating pong kitchen. As you can see, nagkaroon lang ng konting improvements. Naglagay sila ng overhead cabinet, no? On this side is our window. And ito naman yung ating existing na countertop. So yun, no, minimal lang yung mga nilagay dito and naglagay dito ng refrigerator and we have the provision for the cooking stove sa part na ito. And punta naman tayo sa ating back door. You know, as you can see, napaka-spacious pa ng ating likod na pwede mo pa siyang gawing expansion ng bahay in the future. You can also put a dirty kitchen dito. And sa side naman na ito, no, yung ating compressor ng aircon. So, kumbaga, part pa rin to ng property mo na in the future, pwede mo pa siyang gamitin. And sa side naman na ito, ano, yung ating toilet and bath. But before going inside to toilet and bath, as you can see sa ating pinaka-house model, naglagay sila ng shelves dito where you can put books or some of our clients instead na shelves, ginagawa nilang parang mini working space or study area or stock room. So dito naman tayo sa ating toilet and bath, no? So dito, naglagay lang sila ng mini cabinet sa baba and may mirror. And sa side na to, no, para magkaroon lang ng partition, naglagay naman siya ng glass. So everything is complete na. Yan naman yung original fixtures. Nagkaroon lang ng konting modifications. As you can see, ano, hindi na rin sobrang dami ng modifications na ginawa kasi maganda naman yung ating mga fixtures and livable na yung ating actual turnover. Dito nagkaroon lang sila ng konting drop ceiling para makapaglagay ng mga pin lights para mas maging inviting and more elegant yung look ng bahay natin. And by the way, no, yung ating provision for the aircon ng ating first floor is split type and yung height naman ng floor to ceiling natin for the first floor is 2.7 meters. Let's go upstairs, no, para makita naman natin ang ganda ng ginawa sa second floor. Ang ganda ng ginawa sa ating stairs, no? As you can see, ito naman yung original materials. Even the hand railings, yung pinaka-wood natin sa baba, pinalitan lang siya ng kulay. So, sobrang naging aesthetic, no? Yung itsura ng ating stairs. So, as you can see, malawak naman siya na talagang pwede pa siya maging two-way. What I love about this house, no? It has a lot of windows that will invite natural light in the future na of course, mas makakatipid tayo sa usage ng ating electric consumption. Before we go inside to the 3 bedrooms of this house, let's check first yung ating toilet and bath sa ating second floor. So as you can see, same din naman yung mga fixtures na ginamit natin. So dito, naglagay lang sila ng lower cabinet, ng shelves para may mga lagayan, and naglagay lang din ng partition na glass para lang mayroong division between the toilet and the shower area. Punta naman tayo sa ating first bedroom, no? Yan. So as you can see, the first bedroom is designed as the room ng batang anak natin, no? So depends pa din yan, no? Kung sino ang titira sa bahay na ito. So yan, no? If the first bedroom is for the baby girl, no? The second bedroom is for the baby boy naman. Tara, pasukin natin. So ito namang second bedroom natin, no, is for the baby boy. As you can see, no? Naglagay siya ng single bed na pwede mo pang i-upgrade into double size na bed. Dito naglagay siya ng cabinet dito. And sa area naman na to, sa part na to is our study area. So again, no, depende pa rin siya sa gagamit ng room na ito. And ibang clients namin ang ginagawa nila to maximize the space ng bahay natin, naglalagay sila ng bunk bed para maging dalawahan tong room na ito. And punta naman tayo sa ating master's bedroom. As you can see, naglagay sila dito ng malaking bed. And dito naglagay sila ng mga mirrors kasi yung effect kasi ng mirror sa bahay natin na nagbibigay siya ng more space kapag mayroong mga reflections. And as you can see, ang ganda ng ginawa sa color dito. And dito, meron din tayong mga windows na magbibigay sa atin ng natural light kapag dito tayo nagstay sa ating master's bedroom. So yun, ang daming ginawa dito. Naglagay din siya ng cabinet. So yung ibang clients namin ginagawa dito working space, especially if ang trabaho natin is naka-work from home. So ito yung mga pwedeng gawin natin na interior design sa ating Macy unit na house model. By the way, the floor to ceiling height ng ating second floor is 2.4 meters, and yung mga provisions ng aircon natin for the second floor ay window type. To show you the actual turnover of one of our sold-out subdivisions in Nuvali, which is Southfield Settings Nuvali, that has the same resemblance of Southfield Settings Nuvali pagkatapos siya, we will show you some of our B-rolls para mapakita natin kung gaano kaganda yung ino-offer nating amenities dito kay Southfield Settings Nuvali. Ang kagandahan kasi kay Nuvali, once you have your investment here, ito lagi ko sinasabi ko sa mga clients, you're not just buying the property itself, you're not just buying the house model of Macy, but what you're buying here is the buong estate. Kasama sa binili mo yung ginagawang mga business districts, yung mga existing na malls, and of course, meron pa mga future malls. Meron din tayo mga schools inside Nuvali, the activity area, the leisure area. Na pag nasa loob ka ng Nuvali, this is a sustainable city of Ayala Land. This is the first ever eco-city in the Philippines. Nakakagandahan, pag nandito ka, ma-experience mo yan kay Nuvali. We still have available house and lot here in Southfield Settings Nuvali. Konti nga lang, kaya kung ako sa inyo, mag-inquire na kayo para makahabol tayo sa last development here in Nuvali South. You can simply message me through my Facebook page, which is The Property Expert Avida Land by Carlos Steve Singson, or you can call or text me via my Viber, WhatsApp, or iMessage. That is 0961 462-2138. If you are loving this real estate content, just hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated to our upcoming videos. Again, this is Steve Singson, the property expert here in Nuvali.